Okay, so guys, welcome to the last part of the series. Basically, what we're gonna do is bake whatever is left before we're exporting this character that we've made on the series to a game. We'll also unify everything that we need to export into a different folder, and then we can see what else we need to bake. So let's first join those two. Let's apply this first, and apply this, and Ctrl G to J. Okay, great. Let's also change the render to be like this, just so we can work easily. You guys don't have to change anything if you have the default settings. And let's move it to a different folder. So the hat, the hair, the eyelashes, the eyes, the mesh, the clothes, everything, and the eyebrows as well. Okay, so all of that, Shift D, Escape, M, New Collection, Export to Unreal. Click Create. Now beside this folder, I don't need anything else to be visible. So we're gonna hide everything else. Okay, just hide it all. No need render either. Now we can work peacefully with everything that we need to export. Okay, let's also bake what we need. So what we have left to bake is, let's see if we're using alpha here, not really. We're using just the diffuse. Okay, great, just the iris. So we'll duplicate this. Let's take the name, paste it here, add diffuse. This is number 1. Let's multiply this, and here we'll take that name. Since we have 2 different colors, we can make it iris 2. 2048, 2048. Click on emission, dial the strength to 1, go here to the scene, down to render, down to emission, and just click on the eye and click on bake. Oh, sorry, don't connect the image that we've made, connect the diffuse that is actually feeding the texture. Just select the eye, select this, bake. Same thing, we're gonna select in here. Let's take the diffuse 1, emission, again, select it, bake. No need the emission, not on the other one also. No need a Blender kit. Let's go to UV, let's go to Iris, save both of the things that we've made. Save as, textures, save, and back to the loadout. Let's connect this to here, let's connect this to here. Roughness, we're gonna fix in Unreal. Okay, what else we have? Let's do the roughness from here. Let's add roughness, click new, add this, connect to roughness. Let's do the same with the other eye. Connect to roughness, go to UV, save the roughness, go to here, what we have left. Okay, so this is hat material. Let's bake it, fuse, image, move, mission, 1, connect, select the image, click here, click bake. Okay, and let's see what we've got. All right, we can't do it like this. We're gonna make a plane. Same for the shirt, same for the thingy here on the hat. And how are we going to do this? Is taking a plane, moving it to here, calling it the name of the texture we want to bake. So this is shirt material, plane. Duplicate this, and this is going to be pants material. Take the name, paste it right here. Sorry. So to change the name quickly, I'm going F2. F2 lets you change the object name. Now if I'll go to here, I have a plane for the pants, a plane for the shirt. And the pants have two colors, so we're gonna make two for the pants. So one for the shirt, two for the pants, one for the hat. We haven't made the shoes, I'm so sorry guys, maybe next time. We'll do a separated tutorial for this. So this is the hat material. We have pants material. Let's do hat material. Hat material 1. So 1, 2, pants, and pants, pants 2, and pants 2. Okay, let's make it 1. Let's quickly bake everything. So this is shirt material. We've got shirt, diffuse 1. Actually, it doesn't really matter because we're just baking one, but you understand the concept here. Go to here, click on bake while connected to the emission. Okay, let's go. Of course, we need to apply to see what we're baking, right? So the t-shirt, let's click on the shirt, then this, then link materials, the plane for the pants, click on the pants, link materials, choose the other one. Now we see what we're baking. This is the hat, so click on the hat, click on the plane, F3, link material, sorry, let's try the other way around, plain hat link materials, again, link materials, let's negate the, now we see what we're baking, great. So we've got the hat, what else we need? This is actually the hat, so we're gonna bake it to the plane, and click here, go into scene, click here, bake, go to UV, go to the hat, great, connect it to the diffuse, and dial back the roughness. Second hat material, so we'll take this, go paste it here, hat, diffuse 2, because we've made one just now, click on emission, connect it, while the plane is selected, click on bake, do the same thing with the pants, so create an image, take the name, paste it, change it to diffuse, change the emission to 1, connect the diffuse, select the the image and bake. Same thing with the other. We can just copy this, not the whole file, just the name. Add here another image, change the name, new image, change the emission, connect the diffuse, sorry, the mix, click on the image, click on the plane, click on bake. The hat is baked, the shirt we still need, so, oh, we did the shirt, we did this, we did everything. Great, now we just need to dial back the emission. dial this. Disconnect everything. And we are good to go. Now we're just going to connect all of the images that we've baked. We can safely export this character into Unreal. So let's connect this. Connect this. This is not what we are hoping for. So again, connect to the emission, dial back to 1, click on this, and click on bake. Okay, now let's try this again. Click on the UV. Let's save everything that we baked. Hat, save as, save image. Pants, save as, save image. The other color. And the shirt. Save everything. Great. Now, okay, this is great. What else? This one, we need to connect it. We have 2 more, and we are done. Connect this. This we need to connect also. Great, 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 and great. Great. Now we can save. Everything is ready to render and move into Unreal. So this shouldn't take too long. We're just going to rig the character, throw it into a game, and see how it goes. Alright guys, this is the last episode. Basically, we're going to rig the character. We're going to take everything, the character and the accessories. We're going to export it into Unreal, see how it goes. Okay, in order to do this, we're going to select everything we need to export. So we've already made a group here with everything we need. Let's just ensure that this is not, this is actually the textures that we baked. Let's just put it aside here, textures, righto, and hide it. This we can give it a color, optional. We're going to use AutoRigPro for the process. Since to move your character to Unreal, you can do it in a few ways. Let's name it so it will be easier for us to handle. So ARP for AutoRigPro. Let's see what that part is. That part is the browse. Okay, so first of all, we're going to select everything like this. We're going to go, let's see what we have on the body. Is this our collision? Okay, we'll take care of that. No need. This is probably the mirror. Okay, in subdivision. There's also mirror in subdivision. Okay, no problem. We'll take everything. Control A, then apply all transformation, and then right click, then convert to mesh. We should do it again. Then go to tab to edit mode, select everything with A, go F3 outside, look for recalculate outside to ensure everything is calculated outside. Select the eye, which is named Delvaria eye. Let's go right. So this is basically our just a second. This is our left. Okay, because we're looking from here, right? So this is our left. This is our eye. This is our right. Okay, so like this. Then the brows, and this is the eyelashes. So we're gonna go eyelashes, then eyebrows, we'll name it appropriately like this, eyelashes. Okay, this is ARP full body. This is the hair, so just ARP Delvaria hair. ARP for AutoRigPro, right? ARP, then ARP. This is the pens, so again ARP. Of course, you guys don't have to do this, but this is later for me, so I can. Let's see, ARP hat, Delvaria hat, and this is the last, the shirt. So we're just gonna take this, put it right here, name it shirt, and also ensure that the textures are all connected. So the eye, great, the other eye, okay. Just making sure that the fuse is connected. This is what's that? The hair. Okay, we haven't baked the hair. Let's see what's going on here. This is what we need to bake. This is the alpha as well. Okay, we'll go to emission, dial it to 1, and here we're gonna name it here material 1. Let's go 2K is fine. Both, you know. And in here we can add another image, maybe for alpha for later, but now we're not using it. So maybe we'll take care of it later. We'll take it as it is. Connect the color to the emission. Click in here. Click on the we don't have a plane. Let's create a plane quickly. Take it on the X. Click on the hair. Click on the plane. F3. Link material. So we hair first, then the plane first, then the hair. Then we're going to click here on the plane. We click on the the image. Then go to scene, go to render, go to emission, click on bake. Okay, so that's one. We have it connected to here to the base color. Change it like this. Then dial the emission back to 0. And we are good to go. Righto. And we have the alpha, which let's see, without the alpha, it still looks fine. But we can bake it. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, we'll try and connect this to the alpha. What are we gonna get? Horrible. Okay, no problem. We'll add invert. Try it with invert. Okay, otherwise, we're just gonna turn it to a black and white image, connect it to alpha. It's amazing. Alright, but we don't need it. We're gonna fix it in Unreal. Just leave it as it is with the material that we have, the other things. Okay, great. It's all connected. Great. What we need to do, the last thing, is to rig the character. I did a few things here, but apparently it didn't record. One of them is I brought the nails to the folder. I'm going to show you in a moment. And I also added the normal map to the shirt. So basically I added the same exact way that we did the normal map to the shirt, and I increased it scale on the noise to 500. This means that the noise texture, let me just show you real quick what I did. This is what we worked with. Okay, basically this is not enough to give us the normal map, so I've increased it 500. Then I connected it to a bump, and then I baked it to the normal map that I'm using at the moment to export to Unreal. And that's it, the nails, super quick. I'm gonna show you how I got it. So in the main collection, you can click in here, you get the nails. Then the nails, you shift D, you duplicate, you click and drag it to the folder that we've made. Then we can either point here and go Control A to apply, or we can click here on the arrow and apply. Okay, in this case I'm going to delete it because I've already got. Okay, and now we are ready to export. So when we got the folder ready, you see export to Unreal. We're going to select everything in the folder, and then we're going to go Control A and then apply all transformation, and then we're going to scale it down a bit because I think this character is quite large. Oof, this is 2 meter cube, so this might be even bigger than that. So we're going to scale it down. Let's go S0.75. What the hell is this? Oh, that's the main collection. Okay, so let's hide it, right? So we don't need the main collection. We hid it, and now we have the character with everything we need in a proportional size. Let's click here with Shift to to select everything, and then right click and then set origin to geometry. This is for the eyes. Click again on the body, click on Control A, all transformation, do the same with the head, do the same with the hair. So in this case they are already with the right pivot point, and we can basically export. So let's get this. What the hell is this? Okay, we don't need this, and neither the cube. Let's delete it. Okay, now let's export.